Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken noodle soup. It's that time of the year. Most people are gonna start getting sick. I'm actually not feeling very well myself, so I can't wait for this soup to be done. It's really good, it has amazing flavor, and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started.
Alright you guys, we're going to use a whole chicken to make the soup, and we're going to roast the chicken. Roasting the chicken will give your soup so much flavor. Start by drizzling some olive oil all over your chicken. Next, I'm going to season the chicken with some garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt in your pantry, you can use a mixture of garlic and onion powder, parsley, and salt. Make sure you season the cavity of the chicken as well, then turn it over and season the other side too. Once you season the chicken, you can roast it in your oven, but I'm going to use my air fryer to roast the chicken. So I'm going to pull my air fryer basket and place the whole chicken in there. Push the air fryer basket back in. Then you're going to set the air fryer to chicken and roast it for 25 minutes at 380 Fahrenheit. The same goes for oven, but it'll probably take like 40 minutes to roast. And this air fryer was sent to me by Cosori to review, so I'm going to tell you guys how I like it when the chicken is done. And here is the chicken. It looks amazing. It has a nice golden brown color that will give the soup so much flavor. I also highly recommend this air fryer, so I'll leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code if you guys are interested. I'm going to let the chicken stay warm in the air fryer while we make the base for the soup. So I have my soup pot over medium heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil into that. Once the oil gets hot, we're going to toss in some vegetables. I went ahead and chopped up some onions, red and yellow bell peppers, some celery, and carrots. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Next, we're going to season with some poultry seasoning and salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and toss everything together and let the veggies saute for about 3 minutes to release all their wonderful flavors. Then you're going to place your roasted whole chicken onto the veggies. And don't forget to add all that flavorful chicken dripping. Next, I'm adding some white wine. Don't worry about the alcohol. It's going to cook out eventually, but it'll leave a nice kick and flavor to your soup. Next, you're going to fill your pot with a whole lot of water. You want to make sure you fill it all the way up. Some recipes call for chicken broth, but chicken broth would be too strong for this recipe. We already have a gigantic chicken sitting in there, and it's pretty much going to chicken broth itself anyways. So no chicken broth. Next, I'm going to add some crushed garlic for extra flavor, as well as fresh parsley. Once this comes to a simmer, you're going to cover it up and let it cook on medium-low for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your house will be smelling so good, you guys. You're going to take out your chicken, then add some egg noodles. I don't know why I was doing this backwards, but make sure you take your chicken out before adding the egg noodles, okay guys? So go ahead and take your chicken out. It's so soft, it's going to fall apart like crazy. You're going to take the skin and the bones of your chicken and start shredding it with 2 forks. Go ahead and dump your chicken into the soup. By this time, the noodles should be completely cooked, and you guys, it is ready to be enjoyed. It smells so good. The soup tastes so good, it's very comforting. Imagine enjoying this on a cold night with a nice movie on Netflix. You guys, my kids are sleeping and that's what I'm about to do. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.